In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Mailchimp unsubscribes by letting subscribers choose email preferences. If you've ever been frustrated by watching your email list dwindle due to unsubscribes, you're not alone. But here's a solution that can help you retain subscribers by giving them the power to choose what they want to receive from you. Let's dive into the process and see how a few simple changes can make all the difference. To start, you'll want to enable the update profile link in your emails. Now, this link is actually included by default in Mailchimp, but it's crucial to make sure that it's visible and accessible to your subscribers. Typically, this link appears in the footer of your emails, which is where most people look for options to manage their subscriptions. Next, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Audience, then Settings, and from there, go to Required Email Footer Content. This is where you can customize and confirm the visibility of the update profile link. Now that you've ensured the visibility of this link, it's time to create a preference center. This is a space where your subscribers can express what type of content they're interested in. To set this up, head over to Forms, then Other Forms, and open the Form Builder. Here, you'll want to select the Update Profile form. Take your time customizing the fields to reflect the topics, frequency, or categories that you offer. This could range from newsletters and promotions to event updates, or even weekly or monthly updates. Think about providing choices that encompass all the content you offer. It's also important to let subscribers know why managing preferences is a better option than unsubscribing altogether. You can include a short but friendly line in your email, such as "not interested in everything we send," update your preferences to receive only what you care about. This not only educates your audience on their options, but also helps maintain your connection with them without overwhelming them with unwanted emails. Lastly, once you've made these adjustments, don't forget to test and analyze the changes. Regularly look at how many people are choosing to update their preferences over unsubscribing. This can give you valuable insight into what your audience finds most relevant and engaging. By providing your subscribers with options and control over their email preferences, you're creating a more personalized and satisfying experience. This approach not only helps reduce unsubscribes, but also fosters a stronger relationship with your audience. So go ahead and implement these steps to make your email campaigns more effective and appreciated by all your subscribers.